Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll look at how to apply Bates numbering to PDF files for legal use. Bates numbering is a common method used in legal documents to assign a unique number to each PDF page for easy tracking and identification. It is widely used by law firms and legal teams during document review and case preparation. In this video, you will learn how to add Bates numbers to PDF files with the professional Cigati PDF Bates numbering tool for bulk PDF files. Top features of Cigati PDF Bates numbering tool. 1. Bulk add Bates numbers to multiple PDF files at once. 2. Customize prefixes, suffixes, date stamps, and numbering formats. 3. Preserve original PDF formatting and document quality. 4. Add Bates numbers to secured or password-protected PDFs. 5. Simple and user-friendly interface for quick PDF numbering. Start with the step-by-step method. To download the Cigati Bates numbering tool, you need to open the Chrome browser first. Then search for the Cigati Bates numbering tool and press Enter. After that, click the first link that appears for Cigati Solutions to download the PDF Bates numbering tool. From here, you can download the tool and also review the features, specification, and so on. Now select your operating system and click the download button, and your process to download Cigati PDF Bates numbering tool will begin. First, download and install the Cigati Bates numbering tool. Then click Next and wait for the extraction of the file. After extraction, check the boxes and click the Finish button. A pop-up window will appear where you need to go to try demo and then continue. Now you are on the home screen of the tool. Go to Add File, that folder, and select your PDF files or folder and click Open. Then select the files you want to proceed with and click Next. Apply Bates settings like number of digits, starting number, start page, and more. Similarly, apply advanced Bates settings and font settings. After that, recheck everything and click Next. Next, here you can use advanced page and content settings or the page size and orientation feature. Additionally, apply background image, text and encryption or attachment filters. Thereafter, you can preview your file before the process through the Preview option. Finally, click the Convert button to start the process of PDF Bates numbering.